All right, everyone. This is Agape Education Malaysia. So today we are actually in one of the prestigious universities in Malaysia, which is located in Kajang, Kuala Lumpur. So the university name is, we call it Infrastructure University. In the short form, we call it IUKL. So the main major IUKL is offering is engineering. So for the engineering students, IUKL can be the best choice for them. So today we are going to cover the entire university. Basically, we are going to cover about the student lounges, registration counters, and also the student accommodation, and also the library for our viewers. So stay tuned with us. We are going to explore today IUKL. Alright guys, our first stop today is a student hub of IUKL, Infrastructure University. So inside the student hub, basically the student can have a study discussion and also discuss about the assignments. And basically they have a couple of concepts. There are some massage chairs and also the cubicles for students to learn. So we are going to show you around. We are not going to talk too much inside, because the students are studying, but you guys can see how it looks like. Alright, so this is one of the classroom from the Infrastructure University. You don't see any students because this is an empty classroom, but if you see the facilities, you can see it's all the classes are air conditioned, and also you can see the projector here for the convenience for the student to study. So average classroom is about 20 to 30 students. So basically the students will have more focus. So this classroom will cater about 20 to 30 student maximum. So the lecturer will focus one by one. So after this classroom being done, we are going to move to the library. We're going to show you the library facility. Alright, so we are at the IUKL Architecture Gallery. So we are going to go inside. This gallery is basically to encourage diploma and bachelor degree architecture students. So they offer currently diploma in architecture and bachelor in architecture as well. So these students, their designs, their latest findings, all these things they can showcase in the gallery so the people can see. So we can go and see the gallery inside. So you guys can see how these galleries support the students to complete their studies in architecture. So we can go in now. So I want to show you to all our viewers something very interesting. So if we go here, you can see the board here. You can see all the lecturers currently lecturing in IUKL. So if you see at the top, you can see the starting from the dean and also other faculty members, all mentioned in this post. And this is all showcased in the art gallery. So currently they offer diploma in architecture, diploma in quantity surveying, and also the same time bachelor in quantity surveying and bachelor of architecture. So this is the lab for them. Hello everyone, so today we are going to end one of our campus tours from Agape Education Malaysia. Today we covered Infrastructure University Kuala Lumpur. We call it IUKL. IUKL is actually famous for engineering subjects, starting from automotive engineering, electrical, mechanical engineering, and also civil quantity surveying. So this is the best fit for the students who are looking for engineering subjects. So if you are looking to study and if you are looking for options to study in Malaysia, you can contact Agape Education Malaysia for your further information. See you guys from our next campus tour. Thank you very much.
Agape Education Malaysia, your gateway to higher education in Malaysia.